In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play missions in GTA San Andreas Mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to acquire missions in the mobile version of GTA San Andreas and how to progress through them. So, to actually get new missions in GTA San Andreas Mobile, you simply have to progress through the main storyline. As you progress through the game, missions will naturally unlock. Often, completing one mission will trigger the next, and you can identify them by looking at the minimap and just following the main storyline. Always pay attention to your phone calls. By answering incoming phone calls, characters will often give you new missions, so you always have to pay attention to their offers when they call you. Check your phone regularly and ensure that you don't miss any important calls. Next, explore the overworld. Like I said previously, by progressing the main storyline, new missions will naturally be unlocked, and you can discover mission markers. So missions will be marked on your map as icons. Interact with the certain NPC and they will lead you to new missions. Complete side activities. So while this is not directly related to the main story, completing side activities can sometimes unlock new missions or progress the storyline together. And always use the map. By using the map to indicate the location of active missions and new unlockable missions, you will be able to navigate to the designed areas and get the missions from there. Save frequently so you can experience different endings and different missions because they can be challenging. So always save your progress often and don't be afraid to try different approaches to missions. And if you are stuck, I recommend consulting online guides for a specific mission that you want to complete. All of them should be available on the mobile version of GTA San Andreas, and you will be able to play through them without any issues. I hope I was able to help you on how to play missions in GTA San Andreas Mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.